If you're following our Global Economic Outlook series, hit subscribe to stay updated with new country releases. Singapore enters 2026 with a formidable reputation for productivity, a status meticulously built on a foundation of efficiency, unwavering stability, and disciplined macroeconomic management. This isn't a recent development, but the culmination of decades of strategic planning and execution. This productivity is not defined by the sheer volume of rapid expansion, but by its qualitative depth, consistent output quality, high value creation per unit of input, and the exceptionally effective use of both capital and labor. It's a story of working smarter, not just harder. Foundational structural strengths, including profound institutional clarity and a commitment to long-term policy continuity, continue to foster an environment where efficiency is the primary driver of sustained high-quality economic performance. A look back shows that GDP annual growth during 2024 moderated as anticipated. This was a direct consequence of softening global demand, particularly impacting the crucial electronics sector and trade-related services, which are deeply integrated with international markets. In 2025, the economy found its footing as growth stabilized. This was fueled by a gradual improvement in external demand and the steadfast resilience of domestic activity, particularly in consumer-facing and construction sectors. Moving into 2026, GDP growth remains moderate but, crucially, reliable. The economic engine is powered by tangible productivity gains rather than a volume-driven expansion, reflecting a mature and sophisticated economy. High output per worker remains a defining characteristic. This is most evident in sectors like advanced manufacturing, financial services, and the burgeoning digital industries, all of which generate significant economic value with a comparatively limited labor input. The labor market plays a central and dynamic role in sustaining this productivity. It's a carefully managed ecosystem designed for quality and adaptability. Unemployment rates through 2024 and 2025 remained exceptionally low, a clear indicator of tight labor conditions and a highly effective system for job matching that connects skilled workers with high-demand roles. By 2026, employment growth is steady but highly selective. The focus is squarely on productivity improvements and value creation rather than simple labor force expansion. Wage growth is moderate, closely tracking productivity gains to maintain competitiveness. Firms across the island continue to prioritize efficiency through aggressive automation, digital process optimization, and the strategic redeployment of workers from routine tasks into higher-value decision-making roles. Crucially, interest rate conditions have remained broadly supportive of this productive investment cycle. While the wave of global monetary tightening influenced financial conditions in 2024, the Monetary Authority of Singapore's exchange rate-centered framework acted as a powerful stabilizer, managing imported inflation and maintaining confidence. As global rates peaked, borrowing costs began to normalize in 2025. This allowed businesses to confidently continue investing in productivity-enhancing technologies, advanced capital equipment, and critical R&D projects. Entering 2026, financial conditions remain balanced. This environment encourages prudent, long-term planning and discourages the kind of speculative excess that can derail an economy, thereby reinforcing the core principle of efficiency-driven growth. Inflation trends further support this productive narrative. The battle against rising prices has been a key focus, with policy measures yielding positive results. After global price pressures peaked earlier, inflation progressively eased across 2025. This was a result of both external factors, like the normalization of supply chains, and internal discipline, with domestic demand remaining well anchored. This return to stable inflation is vital. It preserves the purchasing power of households and, critically, supports predictable cost structures for businesses, enabling them to invest with greater certainty. In 2026, this contained inflation environment allows hard-won productivity gains to translate directly into real competitiveness on the global stage, rather than being eroded by rising input costs. This strengthens Singapore's unique position as a high-efficiency, high-trust economic hub. The nation's debt dynamics highlight another pillar of its productive stability: immense fiscal prudence. While government debt is significant in gross terms, this figure is misleading on its own. It is more than matched by substantial public assets and formidable reserves managed by its sovereign wealth funds. This exceptionally strong net asset position provides the government with significant fiscal flexibility without undermining market confidence or burdening future generations. Throughout 2024 and 2025, these fiscal resources were strategically deployed to support long-term productivity drivers, infrastructure upgrades like the expanding MRT network, nationwide digital transformation, and deep investments in human capital. In 2026, fiscal policy continues this disciplined approach, reinforcing productivity by prioritizing investments in long-term efficiency and resilience over short-term, demand-side stimulus. The economy's sectoral composition provides the clearest explanation for why efficiency continues to win. Manufacturing remains a vital pillar, but it is sharply focused on high-value segments. This includes capital-intensive industries like semiconductors, cutting-edge biomedical production, and precision engineering, where intellectual property and quality are paramount. Services overwhelmingly dominate economic output. Global finance, sophisticated logistics and supply chain management, information technology, and high-end professional services all generate substantial value added with world-class efficiency. These sectors thrive on global scale, deep specialization, and the pervasive adoption of technology. This strategic focus allows Singapore to sustain exceptionally high productivity and global relevance, overcoming the constraints of a small domestic labor pool. External trade performance, the historical lifeblood of the economy, further supports this productivity-centric model. In 2026, the strategy remains consistent. Trade volumes may not surge dramatically, but trade efficiency remains at a world-leading standard, sustaining income generation without requiring a proportional increase in resource use. Underpinning all of this is Singapore's institutional efficiency, a decisive and often underestimated competitive advantage. Clear and consistently applied regulations, a high degree of policy transparency, and strong effective governance drastically reduce transaction costs and friction across the entire economy. For businesses, this translates into an environment of minimal regulatory uncertainty, allowing them to dedicate their resources to core activities, innovation, operational optimization, and long-term strategy. This robust institutional framework ensures that the nation's productivity engine remains resilient and effective, even during challenging periods of slower global growth or heightened geopolitical uncertainty. The key indicators tell a story of masterful balance. GDP growth remains steady and predictable, unemployment is structurally low, inflation is controlled, and financial conditions are supportive of productive enterprise. The strategic emphasis remains squarely on extracting more value from existing strengths, deepening capabilities, enhancing efficiency, and moving up the value chain, rather than pursuing headlong resource-intensive expansion. In an increasingly fragmented and unpredictable global environment, Singapore's efficiency-driven model stands out. It is a blueprint for resilience, continuing to deliver reliable, sustainable, and high-quality economic outcomes. This commitment to productivity is not just a policy choice, it is the nation's core economic identity. For more data-driven insights and global market breakdowns, subscribe and turn on notifications. Stay informed, stay ahead. This is Economics FX, where clarity meets strategy. Until next time, trade smart.